Create formula by hand using the equals sign. Select target cell using the mouse, then type equals 1 plus 1, followed by hitting the Enter key. Next, I make a formula that includes an absolute reference to cell A3. I type equals 3 plus, then select cell A3, then highlight A3 in the formula bar and hit the F4 key. This makes the absolute cell reference. Learn how to access the Insert function dialog box. Select cell D1 as the target, then click the function icon. I'll sum the values in column A. I'll select Sum from the Insert function dialog box, and select cells A1 to A5, followed by OK. Demonstrate popular functions, sum, average, count using the ribbon. VLOOKUP, SUMIF, COUNTIF using the function dialog box. I'll begin by placing the cursor in cell C302, then click the sum icon on the Home tab. I'm going to copy this range C2 through C301 for later use, then hit Enter to see the sum value. Next, I'll enter the sum, average, and count of all the values held in column C. Notice that I paste the copied range into the formula. This is very important, because these formulas make range assumptions that might not be correct. Select target cell, then click the Insert function icon, then search for and select VLOOKUP from the Insert function dialog box. K2 contains the lookup value, columns B and C will be the table array. The lookup value must be in the first column of the table array. Column index number is 2 and range lookup is false, exact match. I'll copy the formula down for each bike. Next, I'll use SUMIF to sum the price of bikes containing BMX in the name. I click the Insert function, then search, and select the SUMIF function. I select B, the bike column as the range. Then type *BMX* as the criteria. Note, the star is the wildcard symbol. I want to sum the C column, price, then click OK. I'll format the aggregated price as dollars. Next, I use the COUNTIF function, to count the number of bikes contain BMX in the name. Again, I use column B as the range, and *BMX* as my criteria, then click OK. Learn to find function from the complete list of categories. I select a target cell, then click the Insert function icon. Seeking SUMIF, I can type in the Search for Function text box. Or, I could select a category from the drop-down. I want to use the VLOOKUP function, and will select it from the lookup and reference function category. Finding popular functions using the Search for Function text box, and typing functions directly into the cell. I select target cell, then click the Insert function icon. Now, I type the name of the function that I'm looking for in the Search for Function text box. Alternatively, I can type an equals sign, followed by the function name directly into the cell. The function name will appear in a drop-down, if it exists in the function category list. You then select the function from the drop-down list.